Smart Shada presents.
Hi, my name is Abhignan Praveen Munjamkar. I am class first standard. Read. I like apples and I like apples and ice cream and I like apples and ice cream and mangoes. I like apples, ice cream, mangoes and chocolate. I like apples, ice cream, mangoes and oranges. You forgot chocolate. Let's start again. Bye bye.
मित्र हो, व्हिडिओ बघितल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. कृपया लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट्स करा आणि चॅनलला प्लीज सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.